friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style. If this is your first time here, definitely make sure that you subscribe to the channel. If you have been here before, hello and welcome back. So, in today's video, let's talk about those gorgeous Christmas tablescapes that we are starting to see everywhere. I am obsessed. Let me know down below in the comment section, are you guys the super over the top tablescape type person, or would you rather just have a simple plain table just with food on it? Definitely let me know down below, and let's just get into the video. Of course, I will pop in a little later. So let me know in the comment section down below if you tend to go for a more traditional tablescape, or if you like to mix it up with kind of rare colors that aren't used as much, like neutrals and blacks and just all these gorgeous colors that we don't see quite as often. Definitely comment down below. I am more of a traditional person.